More than 5 billion
Yes,
ang lamang eh.
Anyway, si Pastor. Pastor, tuloy lang ho natin. Anong feeling? Ano po ang sa ngayon? Ito na. Ayaw niyo magpatawag na President-elect. Okay lang naman kasi hindi pa napoproclaim. Pero wala na tayo. Ito na ho. Nag-concede na yung kalaban.
There's a feeling of fulfillment
Okay.
of the prophecy over Mayor that this position is really God-given to him.
Yes.
Like David in the Old Testament, na pinili siya ng Diyos. Siya talaga yung pinili. Maraming dumaan sa harap ng propeta, pero ang pinili, yun talaga ang gusto ng Diyos. So 18 years ago,
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Yes, sir.
I'd like to begin this odyssey to the presidency by requesting the beloved pastor to relate to us and revisit that day nung nag-golf kami 18 years ago.
Yes, yes.
And he has been repeating this over the years, and it has come to pass nga ganun nga. So, doon tayo mag-umpisa, Pastor, the first time I heard myself being a president.
yes. Well, nasa golf course kami noon. Kaming tatlo ni Attorney Charlie na at peace with the Lord na. And then I was very reluctant to tell Mayor about my dream because it was like a far-fetched dream. Kasi hindi mo talaga maisip. Pero nevertheless, I have a burden in my heart. So at the course of our golf play, I told Mayor in a corner, kasama ni Charlie Rivera. Sabi ko, Mayor, meron akong dream last night which has given me a burden to tell you. Ano yan, Pastor? Sabi ko, you sent for me in a plane and then a chopper. And I landed somewhere and we were to play golf. And then as I was holding my club, I look at you, you're talking to people around you, big people, I don't know who they are. And I said to myself, I knew at that moment that this was the Malacanang grounds. And I said to myself, what happened? He's only the mayor of Davao City. Why? He's now the president of the Philippines. And then, through the course of that, Mayor, through the years, eto na, dumating na. Until people were egging you to run, but you were the reluctant one. You did not really want to run until the October 16 deadline. And I went to America at the time. Upon landing in the United States about October 11, I had a dream that night. And in that dream, I was telling Attorney Bengay. I said to her, Attorney Bengay, landslide tayo. Si Mayor, landslide tayo. Sabi niya, how can that be? He only filed for Mayor, not President. I said, I don't know, but that is a revelation. So yun, Mayor, ngayon, this is the fulfillment. Congratulations. For the victory.
You know, that changes everything about my concept about God and how He transmits His message. Kasi yung iba kasi, you know, the skeptic and the pessimistic, they always say that, well, there is God, but it has to be something like this. But I have never heard of a person who has in so many times foretold an event that is far away in the future, future tense. Usually present perfect or past tense. But si Pastor lang ang narinig ko over the years, not really exactly a prophesy, but to just talk about it. And the Senator is here. Senator, kindly join us here.
Sige, sir.
Mayroon kang ano?
Senator Cayetano. Si Senator.
I seldom, well, not even another one, na tama ang mga statements niya. Not really a revelation, but you know, if this will continue, this is what will happen. Parang ganon, and it's so perfect that you could almost not believe it that it could be a human trait. Ngayon, kay Pastor, this is really the fulfillment because sinabi tayo niyan, and as a matter of fact, as late as last week, he was repeating the same dream or telling us about the same dream. And over the years, even wala pa yung election, the following day, he was talking about it time and again, about this, almost every session ng ganito. So it's kind of hard really to believe that it is a self-fulfilling thing. So I am awed by God first, and the second kay Pastor, because he's almost a mystic. And there's one guy, where is he? He has been writing about me about 5 years ago about a Duterte presidencies. Gusto naman niya yung constitutional dictatorship. Binibiro niya ako, and would you believe it? There are some publications, he can show to you, I don't know what the guy is. As early as 3 years ago, he was also writing about my being a presidential candidate. Na, ganun rin. But Sal is Attorney I'm referring to Attorney Panelo. Both of them cannot be contested because Panelo wrote it about 3 to 4 years ago. Kapastor naman, 18 years ago, sinabi niya sa akin, and I said it, not totoo. Now, kay Pastor, pag tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, Pastor, sabi niya, it comes from the Lord, from God. Ito naman si Panelo, ewan ko kung may relihiyon itong... But yung kamanyaman on the philosophical side of life, about having a leader who can do this, who can do that. So, ganon ang... I'm awed until now. Not so much about... Well, of course, it's destiny. Yeah. But it's about a fulfillment of a prophecy. And that is a very hard thing to do. Kasi si Pastor, binulgar na niya na ito ang mangyari. Kasi kung hindi mangyari, mapapahiya siya. I mean, it would not really be good for the Pastor to just blurt it. So how many elections ago was that? And until now, Duterte is still the mayor, and as Bitra. But you know, God has a very strange way of doing things. And despite or in spite of my resistance, I found myself in the avenue of contention to the presidency. Ganon rin si Panelo. He's been writing about it, and he has the documents to prove because he writes a column in a newspaper. And he can show you that he was writing about it 3 or 4 years ago. So, we can only pray to God. And ang akin naman, sino bang ayaw? Sabi ko, sana magkatotoo yung sinabi ni Pastor. Kailan pa ba yan?
Ayan na.
But I also would like to thank my parents who are not with us now. Because hindi na naman ako maniwala niya mga santo-santo. Bakit ka sa santo na hindi mo kilala? Hindi mo alam, lasingiro yun. You know, I always pray to my mother and father. Because the best intercession, if there is really an agency to which you can communicate with God, para sa akin, yung parents mo. Because you're a son, and nobody would be more interested in seeing you being one, according to the revelation of Pastor Quiboloy and the writings of Panelo. Attorney Panelo is really very queer, I suppose. But Pastor, I can say, is a mystic. That is what you get for being there all the time in commune with God. You become a mystic, and you can have revelations to you. I hope it will not be the last time in the future. Baka if it would be the good for the country, and Pastor could reveal to us what road should we take along the way in the 6 years of this odyssey. Yun lang, Pastor. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mayor. We will be here behind you. And my being close to God, that He revealed this to me for you, will continue, because God will not put you in a place where you are today without His guidance and without you being given that success that He intends for our country. That's why you are there. So we'll be praying for you. We'll be behind you. The whole kingdom and the whole nation will be behind you, Mayor.
May I add a few things if I get to live the day to take my oath of office? Wala akong ano. It's the interest of the people of the Philippines. Nothing follows. Hanggang dyan lang ako. Not even a priority of, well, program of government, marami. First, it's really education, then health, then agriculture. Diyan ako magbuhos ng pera. We need to be educated. Our children need to be educated. Pero itong health, isasali ko na. We must go back to family planning. About the only president who was brave enough to defy the Catholic Church, Ramos, because he's a Protestant. Ako naman, by now, you should realize that I'm no longer a Catholic, but I'm a Christian. And I defer to God, and I have this deep and abiding faith in my God, that He will be there to guide all of us, and for me to have a clear mind to run the country. I said, nothing follows the interest of the people. It's going to be, it's not an enumeration, it's not a choice of answers. Hanggang dyan lang ako. So, at this early, may I ask my friends, close and far, and my family, not to come to me to whisper about anything behind my ears. I would not like it. And I would be offended if you do that. Well, kung ano lang, it's a problem bringing to my attention, yes. But to secure a favor at the expense of government interest, that cannot happen and will never happen. I will not do it. Kung tabla lang, well, of course, yes, kung tabla, 50-50, well, I give it to my friend. Kung hindi ko kilala to, kung ano-ano pa gagawin nito. If it's your friend and you have the capability, you have the millions to do it, you have the workforce, you have the equipment, fine. Kung 50 ito, 50 is bidding, of course, I will give it to my friend, whom I know is really capable of competence. Pero kung sabihin mo, iganong ko, it will be a plain, it's a level ground for everybody. Talagang patas yan. Walang palusutan. And I will be strict. Dito sa, sabi nila, diktador, correct. I will be a dictator. No doubt about it. But only against the forces of evil. Criminality, drugs, and corruption in government. Talagang, the day has come when I would like to, my message to all government employees, be it the police, military, lahat na, cabinet members and all, stop. You just stop. Stop oppressing the people. Dito, hingi doon, corruption. Hindi ko talaga matatanggap yan. If I cannot implement it, I will resign. Ano pa namang silbi mo dyan kung gano'n rin, gagaya ka lang rin doon sa nakaraan. The goal to say dictator pati corruption yun. Look, I've been your mayor for Davao City for 22 years, 23 years na. Never had any single case of corruption. Pero itong nagsasalita, there will be some reckoning about this. I will not go after my political opponents. I am not up to it actually. Pero itong nangyari ngayon sa Scarborough Shoal, that we lost it, after a certain senator, si Trillanes, went back and forth at the behest of the president. And there was already a raucous there, Spratly. And finally, after the 16th visit, we lost the Scarborough Shoal. And there was no reaction at all from our commander-in-chief, the president. Wala. Hinayaan lang as almost there was a stand down. We don't even bother to send a bank